In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a standard contract to many catering clients at once using PandaDoc. If you regularly send the same document, like booking terms and conditions, to multiple clients, bulk sending can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of preparing and sending each contract one by one, you can set everything up once and let PandaDoc generate personalized versions for everyone on your list. To begin, make sure your document is prepared as a reusable template. This is important because the bulk sending works from templates, not from one-off documents. Inside that template, you'll need to have at least one role assigned, such as client. Roles tell PandaDoc who the document is intended for and where the recipient information should go. If your contract includes personalized details, like a client's first name, be sure those areas are set up with variables in the template as well. Next, create your spreadsheet file. You can use either Google Sheets or Excel for this part. Add a column for email, another for first name, and then include any additional variables you want PandaDoc to fill in automatically. The column names should clearly match the information you plan to use, since this will make the mapping step much easier later. Once your spreadsheet is complete, save or download it as a CSV file. That format is required for the bulk upload process. After that, go to your PandaDoc dashboard. Find the plus document button, then click the small arrow next to it to open more options. From that menu, choose Bulk Send. This is the tool that lets you connect your template with your list of recipients. Now upload the CSV file you just created. PandaDoc will prompt you to map the columns from your spreadsheet to the variables in your document. Take your time here and make sure each field is matched correctly. For example, the email column should map to the recipient's email field, and first name should map to the matching variable in your template. Accurate mapping ensures each person receives the correct personalized version of the contract. Once everything looks right, click Send. PandaDoc will automatically generate and send unique documents to every person in your CSV list all at once. That means each catering client gets their own personalized copy without you having to manually duplicate or edit anything. Before sending to a large list, it's a good idea to double-check your template and CSV for errors, especially email addresses and variable names. A clean setup makes the whole process fast, accurate, and much easier to manage.